What's going on here?
Now, push go them number there, but number that this side. You got how much? 200. They go now, they go. Wow. Fine girl. How are you? Good afternoon.
What's going on?
You look very beautiful. This is Black Beauty. Are you married? Nah, they look for wife. They look for woman, wife, woman. You look so beautiful.
There's something I know you're small.
No, I'm not married. They look for wife, woman. This is fine, well.
It's quite expensive.
It's expensive. I can afford it now. You don't know me. Chief Ego Mbute.
Okay. And keep quiet.
I'll come and see your parents. I like you. You are just so beautiful. Can I just have your number? I'm stopping at the next junction. Is it the same junction that you are stopping?
Yes, it's
Okay, let me have your number now so that after we talk. Keke, how much be our this thing? We'll stop us at the next junction. How much is your money?
500.
I will pay for her. Okay? Alright.
It's out! What's going on here? Hold it.
What's going on?
Now here they stop. I know they stop here again. Hey, they get come. I'm walk with street right there now. Now here why the I'm walk with junction aga. No. Now you sabi o. No be me and you.
Ike Borotelele.